As a child sex prosecutor in New York, I've worked with hundreds of parents, and they all want to know the same thing. If my child is going to testify as a witness, what can I do to make the experience least traumatic? First, make no promises. It's very natural for a parent to want to be able to tell a child, you'll be able to hold a teddy bear while you testify, or I'll be right in the front row when you testify. There are hundreds of legal reasons why a parent may not be allowed in court, or the child may not be allowed to hold a comfort item. You don't want to rehearse with your child in the days leading up to court. It can make the testimony seem coached. Of all of the responses that the church could have to the sex abuse scandal within the priesthood, I think the most mystifying one to me is the apparent banning of homosexuals. There is no connection between homosexuality and the pathology that drives somebody to sexually abuse a child. The church has provided three things that sexual predators desperately need: a steady stream of trusting victims, an institution that will protect them and move them around if they are suspected of sexual abuse, and finally, a cover if they have no sexual interest in adults. Stranger danger has become kind of the mantra of parents in recent years. While parents can be extremely vigilant about protecting their kids from strangers, unfortunately, the vast majority of the time, the child is abused by somebody who comes into the child's life as an invited guest. Oftentimes, they actually can trust the person, but they can't trust that person's boyfriend or younger brother or crazy uncle.